Hola, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm excited to showcase the Fluentalk from Timekettle. This is the T1. Here it is. It's 4 inches in size. I'm going to go ahead and boot it up right now. So there's the button right there. It's all touchscreen. It's got multiple microphone array. It's got speakers. It even has a 2-year internet eSIM built in for when you buy it for translation of different languages. So we're going to go ahead and show you the back part of this, which has all of the different details. So it has a quad-core ARM processor at 2 gigahertz. It has 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of ROM. It runs Android 10, and now it's ready to go, as you can see right here. Here's the different screens. It can run on Wi-Fi and on cellular as well. And there is some money conversion, so you can put that in here to find out what's new for that. Here's different clocks. It's definitely a worldwide device, and it can even take photo translations, which we'll show you over here. We're going to translate this, which is Japanese, into English, so we'll show that also. And to go back to some of the specs, it's a 4-inch screen, like I said, 540 by 1080 resolution, so that's very high. It has an 8 megapixel camera, so we'll show you that on the back right there. There's the 8 megapixel camera with the flash if you need it, and these buttons here that do what you need for translation. So we'll show you the translation part in just a moment. And it's got software updates. I just did a software update. It has Bluetooth, and it works all around the world, even in China. It has a multiple microphone array and dual speakers. It also has a Type-C 5-volt 1-amp charging port right there on the bottom, and it has a lanyard spot right there, and here is the included lanyard right there. And with this hello, it comes with a SIM eject tool, so you can put a different SIM card if you need. And it comes with the charging cord right there. All right, so now we'll get to a photo translation. So we'll put that right here. And we'll start up the camera. Okay, and now we'll use the guidelines like it says. It's focusing. Okay, it's scanning. And now it says hello. So it was that fast. Pretty easy. And you can save, and you can say original text, or you can say translated text. So it's just that easy right there. And now we can speak to it. So there's 2 buttons on the side, the blue and the red for translation. So if we want to speak Spanish, it'll translate to English. We can do that. Hola, ¿cómo está usted?
How are you?
Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú?
Very well, thank you. And you?
So that's very fast. They say it can do it in 0.25 seconds translation, which is excellent. The different modes that we like that this has. So you can ask for directions. That's very important when you're in a different country. Like when I landed in Spain, I needed to ask the taxi driver how to get there, and he was telling me things in Spanish, so I translated. I also knew some Spanish, so this worked out pretty well. Translating. Speaker mode, voice memos, that's important, and common expressions. So different languages have different things that you can say and listen for, and you can tap that, and SOS if you need it. Here is the settings area here. So this shows you what you've been able to do, how many days you have left for the free translation. Okay, it's very responsive. I like it a lot. I like that this has the money part too, and different clocks depending on where you're going or coming from. And it's quite light. And you heard it's pretty loud. I haven't adjusted any of the audio settings. It's pretty loud all by itself. Here's where the microphone array is right here. You have 3 buttons. You can hold down this button, and then you can power it off, restart, or go to the SOS mode, or just turn it off like that. And that is the Fluentalk from Timekettle. This is the portable translator. It's T1 model, and it fits in the palm of your hand. It's very nice, and you can get this now from Timekettle. Just look for the Fluentalk T1. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.